Valiamo is an exciting and innovative Italian manufacturer of hospital furniture and equipment, home care and medical solutions. Valiamo has offices in Italy, but operates all over the world. Our factory is located near the amazing city of Venice. Valiamo can supply across a huge range of state-of-the-art products: hospital bed, full electric or hydraulic, ICU bed, pediatric beds, charts, medical trolley, stretcher, full electric manual or hydraulic, dialysis chair and also for therapy, gynecological chair and beds, examination and visit tables, hospital furniture as bedside, wardrobes, cabinets, lockers, chairs and tablets, physiotherapy equipment, nursing and retirement home furnishing for all people. Valiamo has developed artificial intelligence applied to medical devices. For example, Angelo is our first smart bed that provides a continuous non-contact monitoring of the patient in the hospital or in the retirement home. Valiamo has also developed Sanitec, an innovative line of devices for control and sanification of people, ambulances, and devices inside the hospital. Our products have full certification as European medical devices and are manufactured with our excellent Italian style, design, and quality. Our range of production is perfect for those countries that require both made in Italy quality and very reasonable and affordable prices. We are serving various clients all over the world, and we are always interested in further developing our business with new partners and new clients.